Hey, do you want to know the best way to optimize your websites? I've got some insights to that in this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Hey, it's Chip Hine with HindeSights again. One of the biggest struggles with those of us doing marketing is trying to have high ranking with our websites. So SEO, search engine optimization. It is the biggest struggle for everyone in trying to be able to hack Google's algorithms to be able to rank on the front page of search or just higher in the list. So I have a few things that you need to know about how to do that. There are definitely some things you need to do to be able to prevent search engines from labeling you as spam. It's kind of a tricky balance because you need to use crucial keywords but not too many, but you also have to make sure you're focusing on keywords that are authentic as far as the material that you're presenting. You can't just stuff whatever keywords you want into an article and call it good. It really has to be related to the content that you were presenting. It has to be accurate, but not too many, because there's so many people that are utilizing content and just labeling it with all sorts of keywords to be able to spam more effectively, and that's what we want. We want authentic ranking, and we want to build those strong backlinks, and we don't want to go overboard with keywords, but we want to have enough that are real specific. And also, it doesn't cost you any money to rank higher. Some people think you need to spend money to be able to rank higher, whether it's buying plugins. You really just need to know what keywords you need to use to be able to hit the algorithm just right and is related to your content. So there's a lot of keyword planners out there you can check out. Google AdWords, I think, has a keyword planner. You need an account, though. You don't have to spend any money on it, but you get an account. I think you can get to their keyword planner. Ubersuggest is another one. Exploding Topics, Google Trends. Those things can just give you a better idea for what is trending, what is out there, what keywords work best. And just make sure it's related to the content that you're presenting. One of the most important things to consider is that there's no magic trick to ranking with SEO. You can't just find like the right keyword. You can't fake it. It takes time. It takes consistency. It takes a lot of content. It takes accurate content, quality content with keywords that are meaningful to the content you're producing, and also content and keywords that are going to rank higher. It's a language you got to learn. There's lots of resources. The important part is if you just study what kind of keywords are out there, whether it's through Ubersuggest, Google Trends, AdWords, some of the other ones I've talked about, that's going to get you pretty far along as far as knowing what it is that's going to rank, what's not going to rank, and then making sure that's applicable to the material that you're producing. Because you don't want to have material that has nothing to do with the keywords that you're taking. So this is a short video, but yeah, just wanted to let you know, like, hey, that there are ways to rank, but the most important part is consistency, time, quality, and research those keywords. And eventually you're going to rank, and you're going to rank high. Just keep it up. If you have any other ideas for SEO optimization, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Please put that down there, and hopefully everybody will gain from that. In the meantime, hope you're doing well, and we'll talk to you next time. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.